What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1338, down 2.7 on the day. We're seeing a market cap of 162 billion. 24-hour volume, 10.63 billion. Let's hop into the chart. So we got rejected once again from our bear flag. I thought we might start to rally, but we did put in a bearish divergence. We're starting to roll over. So I would expect you to come back down to at least 1288. We have strong volume in that range, as well as that strong level of support. Potentially we could bounce and see a rally. I do think a rally is near in the market, but if we do break down, then all we're looking at here is that this was a really complicated wave 4. This does look quite corrective, as I've been mentioning, and we're looking to put in a lower low into a wave 5. I thought we might start to put an impulse towards the upside in a corrective wave, and I'd be looking at some sort of ABC into a 2 and then coming down, as I do think you could definitely still be coming down in a wave 3 to about 700 to 800, but I am expecting a rally in the market pretty soon. So if we do come down to put in that lower low, then we can rally into a wave 2 before seeing continuation to the downside, in my opinion. If we were to come all the way up and break 1785, that's when that bullish scenario could play out here, and you could push all the way up in a wave 3. I still don't think that's likely. I think if you do come up to put in a rally, you'll create a lower high and see continuation to the downside to put in a lower low. This is the bullish count, where we have a wave 1 and a regular ABC correction into a 2, and you're looking to push up in a 3, and the bear market is over. It's possible, but I wouldn't say it's probable until you come up and break about 1785 for ETH. But as of right now, we've been rejected once again by this bear flag. So I would expect you at least to come down to about 1291. If we do break down, your bear flag target is all the way down here at 1055. But as I said, patterns don't always reach their targets here. And I am expecting a rally pretty soon. Even if we put in a lower low, the market does look like it's going to rally. We have the elections coming up, and the Fed like to release bullish news around election time to sway votes. So I do think there's some bullish catalysts coming up for a potential pump relief rally before seeing continuation to the downside. So if we do come down and lose these lows here about 1273, that's when you can start to come down in a wave 5. We'll see if we start to come down impulsively here, or if we just come back down to that level of support, hold it, and then begin to push back to the upside. All right, guys, so just watch this ascending trend line of support for a potential bounce, and we have that volume also coming in here at about 1284. So that's it for this one. Big shout out to the Discord, where you can get free access to over 2,000 members if you sign up to Bybit, my favorite exchange for trading. $4,500 sign up bonus to $4,500 in bonuses, I should say. Email me your sign up email, and I'll give you free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members. And at the $10 membership, you can get my exact entries, exits, take profits, as well as early access to my analysis, which you can sign up through the Patreon. Check out my full length tutorial for Bybit, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.